Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You have what you need: order ID, purchase date, and the payment method. Once logged in, go straight to Account, then Orders, and open the specific order. Make sure to check the cancellation window and refund policy before proceeding, because timing often determines eligibility. Next, look for a cancel button or request cancellation link. Click it to begin. This first action tells the system to stop fulfillment and flags the order for review, so act now rather than waiting until shipment. Once you click Cancel, the system will ask how you want it handled: full refund, partial refund, or store credit. Choose the correct option and then enter a short, clear reason. This speeds approval. If the item is faulty or wrong, attach a photo or order evidence now, because visual proof reduces back and forth. Make sure to read any pop-up terms before confirming, since some sellers only accept cancellations within a specific time frame or charge restocking fees. Confirm the cancellation and save the confirmation number or screenshot the final page. This proves you submitted the request. Then monitor your payment method for the refund. Timelines vary, so check the seller's stated window and your bank. If the cancellation fails or the order ships anyway, contact customer support immediately with the order ID and your saved screenshots. Troubleshooting tip: if you hit a block, escalate via live chat or phone and reference the cancellation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.